For those of you that are interested, this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Carbon X mountain bike that's sold by Walmart, and we're going to get into it. Let me go get the box. So here it is, the Carbon X box, and one thing that I can say definitively is that it is actually very light. I've ordered other mountain bikes in boxes. They certainly weren't this light, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull everything out of the box quickly, and then once I get that done, you'll be able to see just all the parts and what it takes to put this thing together. Okay, well, basically there's a few things that you can see. This is pretty easy to put together. The back wheel is already on out of the box. You have the handlebars that need to be put on. You have the front wheel. Of course, there's the quick release for the front wheel and the pedals as well as the seat. So this should go together pretty quickly. Doesn't look too bad right offhand. As far as the weight of it, it is pretty darn light. So, you know, basically picking it up one-handed, and it's very easy to pick up. So we're going to flip back over to time lapse, and I'm going to start building the bike. I can tell you that the bike came together pretty quickly and easily, with the exception of the front wheel. Obviously you could see that I was struggling with that, but the bike's so light that it was hard to get it braced. So the wife stepped in, helped me out on that wheel, and that's about it. So this is it built. It's pretty light, easily picked up with one hand, no problem. I'd say somewhere in the 30 to 33 pound range, somewhere around there. So not too bad. If you're looking for a cheap mountain bike, this is probably decent. I don't know that I'm going to do a full review of it because essentially this is actually a project bike. I'm going to make an e-bike out of it starting in the next video. So if you want to see that, please stay tuned. Otherwise, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.